Now prepare to enjoy the power-ups.
It's gonna be okay. It's fine. Have fun. You're gonna want to ride again, trust me.
In order to really maximize your marshal or your actual tax rate, you have to be smart. We have a tax planner. He's not an accountant. He's not our accountant. It's a different person. People don't realize that. You need a financial and a tax planner. You know that.
Just one, I think.
I don't know. Ah!